In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap fill and stroke colors in Figma. Let's start by opening your design in Figma so you can follow along on your own canvas. If you don't already have an object ready, quickly add a basic shape like a rectangle or an ellipse. The key to seeing this technique clearly is to give your shape both a fill and a stroke, and make them noticeably different colors. For example, a bright fill with a dark stroke makes the swap obvious. If only a fill or only a stroke is present, swapping won't produce a visible change. So make sure both are applied. Now for the fastest method. The keyboard shortcut. Select your object on the canvas, then press Shift+X. That's it. Figma instantly exchanges the color in the fill with the color in the stroke. This works on single shapes, groups, and multiple selections, and it keeps your stroke weight and other properties the same, only the colors change places. On both Mac and Windows, the shortcut is the same, so T here is nothing extra to remember. If nothing appears to happen, double-check that the shape really has both a fill and a stroke active, and confirm you are pressing Shift+X. Not just X. If you prefer a manual approach or you want more control, you can do it through the color picker. In the right-hand panel, click the color swatch next to fill to open the picker and note or copy that color. Then click the swatch next to stroke and change it to the previous fill color. Finally, go back to fill and set it to the previous stroke color. You can pick the colors from the palette, paste a hex value, or use the eyedropper to sample directly from your canvas. This manual method is handy when you are fine tuning shades, adjusting opacity, or matching styles precisely. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.